Hey y'all, hey, it's Reese. Welcome back for a quick little video. First, let me say thank you to all of my old subscribers and welcome to my new subscribers. New subscribers, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every single time I come through with a new video. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so first let me say that I am trying to respond back to all of the emails. I think I had 212 emails saying sorry for the loss of my mom. So I just wanted to take the time and tell you thank you. I also had a lot of messages underneath my video. I'm not really sure how many they were, but I can say it was at least over 100. Okay, the only reason I know about the email because you know when you bring it up it tells you how many messages or whatever. Again, y'all, thank you for actually sending me the steps on doxing. Thank you guys for actually recording that video since it was taken down right away. I mean, I can't say how many times thank you. So yeah, so I mean, it's cool, y'all. But anyway, what we're going to be talking about today is going to be this whole BAM situation. Now, I don't know if y'all seen this, but your girl has seen this. And what I am going to say is that I don't think that is BAM. I am actually sure that is not BAM, okay? Not only that, but that guy's voice is definitely not BAM. So I can tell you guys, I don't know if it's a troll. I don't know if it's Chrissy. I don't know if it's any of the other people in that whole little gang now that may have did that to spark some more confrontation, because it seems like here lately YouTube has been going wild. Alright, I don't know if it's going wild because of the fact that a lot of people are going to be picking up themselves and returning to work. I don't know if it's going wild because on here we have a lot of unstable people. I don't know if it's going wild just because. But anywho, yeah, I find that video is really funny, but at the same time it is very informative. All right, because if you did not know about this, if you were not educated about this reassignment surgery, then this is practically something new for you. But when you are actually in the nursing field and you are a RN, a doctor or whatever, you tend to see things like this. So it is what it is. I mean, you got people running around here now creating so many troll accounts. It's not even fun. You got people running around here being tough Tonys, and they already know that they are not even built that way. But regardless, they still want their shine on YouTube. I mean, I have seen a multitude of videos lately where people continue to make videos about the reactors. And it seems like to me that, you know, the reactors, I can tell you now, are not even acknowledging them. The reactors won't even watch their videos, okay? And it's sorta, kinda funny, alright? And what happens that makes it so funny is that, for example, someone will put up a video about a reactor, and in one day that video Oh, I'm a fucking fool. And one day in that video, they may get 300 views. Yes, 300 views. A lot of times it takes them, to get 1,000 views on one video. They seem to get to the point of 1,000 views with sometimes 7 days, a whole entire week. A lot of times it takes them 2 weeks to get to that. And then here's the kicker, people. What's really, really, really funny is that they even will have another person that has been on YouTube or whatever the issue may be, where they call themselves giving that person what you call a shout out. And still, it does not help. They only accumulate what? Maybe 2 to 10 more views. And myself, I find that to be hilarious. You are taking your time to go and get a thumbnail. Then what you do is you upload this video. Then you go ahead and you post it. And then this happens. You are a sponsor for someone's video. You are not getting paid anything to do this. So what's funny is, how does that make you feel? You put video and video and video and video out, and you load it up. You put out thumbnails only to help that person sponsor their own videos. Now, to me, that is amazing. I have no problems with it, because it is something that's being given and you don't have to give anything back. You don't get nothing in return. Not even a thank you from a reactor. Nothing. Zilch. You look extremely stupid. But what I want to say to you from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Thank you and thank you for the free advertisements. I truly appreciate it. I truly am also grateful for you doing that. I am seeing such things that are happening on my platform. I am basically getting more views. I am accumulating more subscribers. So I say again, thank you, thank you, and thank you. I am going to go ahead and end this video. First, let me say thank you to all of my old subscribers. Welcome to my new subscribers. As always, new subscribers, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every single time I come through with a new video. So until my next video, guys, happy Father's Day, and I will see you in the next.